So, likewise, we have from the class of JPM. I hope our group have learned a lot. From the beginning, we just created a simple program, like the one that we are teaching Hello World. Everybody was almost running away, thinking that those were the simple programs that we were supposed to be better. But as we went on, things became also harder and harder. But we learned a lot from the simple applications, and then we created the GUI elements. We came and we connected to the database, and even connecting your phone to the computer and accessing the applications you made from your phone. Your people were excited. We also learned much, and we will be able to apply those applications in our activities. We are also blessed to learn that. And even you are saying the classes that you are having with Mr. Mutua and Mr. Kim, we combined those skills, and they were also applied in the activities we had been doing, and we're also happy for doing that. And we hope also to be able to apply those skills always. And likewise to our projects, we likewise also hope that people have been applying those activities and they have modified their projects and they shall work well. We are also blessed in that class. We also hope that we will continue learning more as we go on. God bless you too.
Ambrose, I'm sure you're a bright teacher, proud teacher. He clearly got what he taught him. So now, I would like to have a student from the mobile web class. Yes, I see you. What is mobile web? Okay. I'm not volunteering anybody. Can anybody volunteer? We also want ladies. Yeah, ladies. Anybody from the mobile web class?
Good afternoon, everybody. Since there is no ladies, let me try to be a lady today. Okay, first of all, I was in the mobile web class. I thought it befitted me so well, and I found myself in that lecture. So first of all, it is by the grace of God that we are all together right now from the start until we have been close to today. So we need to thank God for that. Secondly, myself, I'm elated so much. This is a big one, not only to me, but to those doing programming and also those technical computer science and IT. You need to implement such things that you are taught. At times, you may realize that the things that you are taught go in hand with what you do in school. So what they do necessarily is just to add knowledge to what is already existing. So what I'm requesting is that let's put into practice what we have been told and see the benefits. So I want to talk so briefly about the mobile web class and say the following. That class was quite enjoying. We had our lecturer, Mr. Michael. Okay, I want to say that he's also one of the guys that has a company, a programming company. So those intending to program and do maybe their attachments, you can talk to him. So he knows much of programming too. So what I want to say essentially to the visitors that we had is big up. We should give a kudos to them because they did a great job. In fact, I've learned enough to start to know more about the mobile web. It's quite interesting. Then what we should do as a group, we have had this knowledge for 3 days now. What are you going to assure these people who came to give us the knowledge that you have right now? Can you assure them that next time we have such an occasion, even to another university, let's say most will be represented, or in any occasion that they offer, let's do something to this and let our name be lifted, not only in this school, but outside the university. Then lastly, I want to congratulate them because I can see everybody in black. Not for them, we could not be having these t-shirts. You realize that they give us the knowledge for free. They also give us the t-shirts for free. You don't know the next thing, maybe they'll call us for food. Essentially, what I'm trying to say, most of the things offered in various places are not free, but we find such people that have come to give us for free. Let's take this serious because, as we can see, it's a serious thing. It's not a joke. So what I want to clear up with is that let's implement and let's give them a shout out. Let's see let them see the fruits of what they have done for us. Thank you and have a good evening.